just over 10,000 subscribers, uploading videos every week. How much does YouTube actually pay me? So if you don't already know, we are Vanlife Goodies and we share our travels and adventures in our VW Crafter camper van, along with product reviews and tips and tricks of van life. So every year I like to update you all on how much YouTube actually pays me for the content I produce. And in this video, I'm going to tell you all the ways that I earn money and exactly how much I earn from YouTube. So just for context, we started the channel back in 2019, just kind of doing videos ad hoc as and when. But for the past 4 years, I've tried really consistently to upload a video every week. I've now got just over 10,000 subscribers and I've uploaded about 256 long form videos and about 213 shorts, which are usually long form that I've been cut into shorts. My reasons for doing YouTube was predominantly to create lasting memories, the dividends of which I can enjoy when I'm too old to travel and go and watch them all over again. So on this journey, I've discovered that I enjoy the filming and editing and that kind of process of learning. And we've developed this situation where we have a community of viewers that are dead encouraging and dead supportive. So as a result, it's kind of moved from being something that I do for our memories to something that we do to also provide content for other people to enjoy. Anyway, now to the important bit. How do I actually make money? Well, there are 5 different ways. The first one is I'm an Amazon and eBay affiliate or partner, which basically means on my website, www.vanlifegoodies.com, there is an eBay shop and an Amazon shop, and we put on those shops all of the products that we use or would recommend, with a little note, you know, what we'd recommend about them. And if you go on that link and you click to buy the product or to buy something else, if my link takes you to Amazon or eBay, then Amazon and eBay pay us a very, very, very tidgy amount to say thank you for sending this person to their store. The great thing about this is it doesn't cost you, the buyer, any money, and it just, but it does give us a very small amount, but it really is a tidgy amount. So next time you want to buy something on Amazon or eBay, use my link and help us out. Thanks. Sponsors. So at the minute I'm not quite big enough to get paid sponsorship for advertising a product on my channel, but I do get offered some free items. Some of them are a bit rubbish and some of them are really good, and if I think they're of use to my viewers and I think I might use them, I will review them and usually get the product for free. So far I've had a really good composting toilet, I've had a security camera, I've had some camping chairs and a camping table and some other items. So, oh yes, and I've also had some power banks. So these are really handy because they're things I would use in the van and they're things that my viewers would be interested in. I don't want to become a sales channel and just take on loads of reviews, but I'm happy to review products that are useful and relevant for camper van life. I'm hoping that in the future, as we get a bit bigger as a channel, we'll get paid sponsorship, which is where they will send you the item, but they'll also pay you to do a video because it exposes their product to lots of people. But I can promise you this, I will only ever be open and honest about the product. You know, if it's rubbish, then I'm not going to review it. Number 3 is merch. So if you go onto our website, vanlifegoodies.com, we have some homemade products that I've made for T5s and T6s, bins or laundry baskets or storage bins or bunting. We also have on the website some print-on-demand stuff, so just a couple of t-shirts, some stickers and some mugs. So you can go and have a look at that in the link below. That doesn't make us loads of money, it's just a little tick over. I'm hoping to expand the website by kind of adding more products to it over time. But for now, I've just started. So number 4 is Super Thanks. Super Thanks is a button at the bottom of the video that viewers can press to donate some money, be it £2, £10, £50, and some people have actually done this. So they've been very generous and we're very grateful. If that's you, you know who you are. Thank you so much. And then lastly, the bit that matters most, which is number 5, the YouTube Partner Programme. So this is where YouTube pays you for, they put adverts basically on your content, and if the viewer watches the adverts, you will get a small commission for advertising on your channel. Now, it really is a small amount, and I'm about to go into the figures of how much I get paid, because I think people think you get loads, and I think unless you're getting millions of views, you're not getting loads. So I'm going to give you some idea of what we earn, well, exact figures of what we earn, and then you know exactly what we're doing. So this amount can differ between each video depending on the views and the watch time. So my lowest earning video was posted in 2025, where we visited the Avro Museum, which is a plane museum, and it has still only received 660 views. And I've earned, since that went out, I've earned a total of £1.12p on that video. In contrast, ironically, my highest viewed video is actually the first How Much Do I Earn video that I did. And to date, that has reached 228,000 views. And in total, since it went out, I've earned £687 from that. So that was a win. But my highest paid van life video is still my T5 van tour. So the van we had before this was a T5 VW, and I did a van tour, and it wasn't a particularly good video, to be honest, because I'd only just started on YouTube and I wasn't as good at filming and editing and stuff. It was published in 2021 and it's had 132,000 views, and since then has earned a total of 250 quid. It's not much really, is it? So each video, as you can see, doesn't make a lot of money, but if you have lots of videos and they're all making a little bit, then over time your income starts to increase. And this year I've seen the most significant uplift in my income, actually receiving something every month for the first time. And I'm hoping, whilst it's a small amount now, I'm hoping that as we grow we might have enough money to be able to cover the fuel of our travels. So the money would cover the fuel, obviously cover camera gear and stuff like that, but if it could cover the fuel, that would be fantastic. Now, it's worth mentioning that doing videos takes a lot of time: filming, planning, offloading it, editing it all, putting it out on Facebook and Instagram and stuff like that, cutting it into shorts. It's quite a lot of work. I enjoy it, but in no way does this income pay for the amount of time it takes to produce a video. I'm hoping one day it might, and that would be great, but it certainly doesn't at the minute. For now, YouTube is just our hobby, and we both still have main jobs that pay the bills. We still have to pay for camera equipment and royalty-free music on Epidemic Sound, and taking the time to edit the videos, upload them, share them, and respond to all the comments that people leave, which I like doing really. But up until now, I have never borrowed money for this channel. Basically, I started with an iPhone and I still edit on iMovie, and as I earn a little bit of money, I then bought a camera, and as I earned a little bit of money, I then got a better camera. And so I've never actually spent any of my own money. I've only ever spent on the money that we've earned from YouTube. So the money for Epidemic Sound comes out the money from YouTube. The money for the website came out of the money made from YouTube. So at the minute, I'm reinvesting into the channel everything that we earn, really. So finally, the bit you've been waiting for, the final figures. So I'm going to read this so I get it right. In total, I've been posting videos since 2019. I've received 1.4 million views since starting. And in the last 12 months, I've received a total of £1,431 in ad revenue, which I think is quite cool. But this makes my average monthly income £119 a month, not including any extras I make on affiliate or on the website if people buy goods. So it's still a small amount, £119, but it's not to be sniffed at, and it's heading in the right direction. So I hope you found this video useful. If you're thinking about doing a YouTube channel, then go for it. But I would advise that you try and find a subject that you really enjoy so that you don't get burnt out too quickly. And also don't borrow money to start. Just start with what you have, just a phone, an iMovie, and start putting content out. You don't need loads of money. And then as you make money, you can then reinvest it into the business. But most of all, have fun. And then it's something you can do long term. And of course, if you watch us on YouTube, thank you so much for watching the videos. And if you want to help us out, there's a couple of ways you can do it. One is subscribe to the channel. And if you're watching the adverts, let the adverts run. That will give us more ad revenue. But if you can't, I understand. 2 is go on our website, vanlifegoodies.com, and save the affiliate link for eBay and Amazon. Stick them in your notes on your phone, and then whenever you shop on Amazon, use that link and it will take you to your Amazon, and then you can buy whatever you're going to buy anyway on Amazon. But every time you buy something, that will help us out, which will give us a bit more money on the channel to be able to get better camera equipment and spend more time creating better content. Next is check out our website. I know nothing about websites. I've tried to build this myself. It is not perfect, but I've done a few blog posts about camper vans, toilets in camper vans, keeping warm in a camper van, which you don't need at the minute, thankfully. Should do a keeping cool in a camper van. I'm still figuring that one out. So I've written a few blog posts that might be of interest to you. I've written a little bit about me and Dave and how we began this journey. There is our merch that we make, and there's our merch print on demand. So yeah, go and have a look, see what you think. But most of all, I hope that you just enjoy the videos we do, and if it brings a little bit of joy to someone in a world of madness, then it is just well worth doing. I'm so lazy.
You've become so lazy.
You can't say anything. You've been on the bed far more than
lazy.
me.
It's not lazy anyway. Do you know when you're conserving energy? You know what I mean? It's like we're told these days, aren't we? Conserve your energy. Yeah. Don't be wasteful with it. I've been doing exactly that.
Absolutely. At least we're doing railways now as well, so...
We'll get you there.
Give us a wave so I can see you. Where are you?
Me?
Oh, you're there? Yeah, that's fine. Just checking. I can't see because of my eyes. I can't see.
Aimed at your bum.
Did you really? If you got me one of them, I swear I would hurt you so badly. The other thing we've discovered is that Dave needs to go to Specsavers because he just saw a grey squirrel and went, that's a red squirrel. And I went, no, it's not, Dave, it's grey. And he went, no, it's red. I went, no, it's grey. And then as we got nearer, he went really quiet. Didn't you, Dave?
He aged from me first seeing him.
So thanks for watching, and if you subscribe to the channel you can see where we end up next week in our camper van because we're going on a little adventure for the weekend. See you later.